Go. And see.
Hi, welcome to Walmart.
Hey, Dad, can you get me one of these bouncy balls that nobody ever gets me, please? Please, Dad, come on. They're the ones that my parents never buy me.
Hey,
New! Come on, shh, Dad. New, what's that?
New!
don't talk.
I can't think of anything. Right now it's muted.
Unmute.
No,
I got another one. Yeah,
oh,
Dad.
Come on.
I got another one.
What am I gonna do with
Dad,
these?
there's a lot. Here's a huge square, big bin builder.
Forward.
Dad, thank you for buying me my ball. I'm so happy. I'm bouncing it in the store. I'm bouncing it in the store.
Hey, stop bouncing in the store.
I got 2 balls now. I don't know how.
All right, I've got an idea. Dodgeball fight.
You missed! I still.
Wait,
Don't say forward.
What's that you got?
what are you saying? Wait, why are you saying forward? We're already going.
What, you gonna judge me now? You think I'm stealing?
What's going on here?
She's crazy, eh?
There's nothing.
She's crazy, eh? Oh my gosh.
Why are you taking
Hey, yo,
everything?
man. He's
I got 2
harassing
balls.
me. It's a bad
Hey, back off my
Don't
wife.
touch me.
Back off my wife.
Don't touch me.
Excuse me.
Did you mess with my dad?
Hey,
Oh my god! Oh my god! No! Reverse?
Reverse.
Hey, back off my wife. Back off my
Are you
wife.
messing with my dad?
God, back off my
Stop
wife.
throwing your balls at me. Please stop stealing, guys. Can you
I got 2 balls.
What's that? Normal. Play? Normal?
Hey, back off my wife. Back off my.
Oh no! I want you to know no matter what, I'll always love you.
¡Dos pelotas! ¡Mira! ¡Mira! ¡Ay, muchacho!
¡Viva